10 amazing facts you didn't know about the human brain. The human brain. It's the most complex structure in the known universe, responsible for composing Mozart's symphonies, deriving Newton's laws, and contemplating the cosmos. Scientists have been studying the brain for centuries, and we're still finding new and surprising things about how it works. So today we're going on a journey inside the human brain to explore 10 incredible facts that you probably didn't know. Let's start with the building blocks of the brain neurons. Your brain has roughly 86 billion neurons, more than 10 times the number of stars in the Milky Way galaxy. These neurons communicate through trillions of synapses, forming a complex network that allows you to think, feel, learn, and remember. This intricate network is the biological infrastructure of your consciousness. Despite its complexity, the human brain is remarkably energy efficient. It runs on just 20 watts of power, less than a standard light bulb. This efficiency is a testament to the elegance of evolution, allowing the brain to process information, experience emotions, and create art. So the next time you're feeling mentally drained, remember your brain is running on the same power as a banana. Maybe eat a banana, give your brain a little fuel. For a long time, it was believed that the brain stopped developing after childhood. Today, we understand that the brain is a dynamic organ, constantly changing and adapting throughout our lives. This remarkable ability is known as neuroplasticity. Your brain can rewire itself, forming new neural connections in response to new experiences, learning, and even injury. Every time you learn something new, you're literally changing the physical structure of your brain. So embrace new experiences, challenge yourself, and never stop learning. The brain, responsible for processing all of your senses, including pain, can't actually feel pain itself. It lacks pain receptors, so while it interprets pain signals from other parts of your body, it remains oblivious to any pain within its own tissues. However, the surrounding tissues like the scalp, skull, and meninges are richly supplied with pain receptors. So next time you get a headache, remember it's not your brain that's hurting, it's those sensitive tissues surrounding it that are sending out the pain signals. Your brain can handle approximately 1 quadrillion operations per second. This means that every second your brain is processing an immense amount of information, from the sights and sounds around you to the thoughts and memories within you. It's a level of efficiency and speed that no man-made machine can match. To put that into perspective, if a supercomputer were to try and simulate just 1 second of human brain activity, it would take about 30 years. This is because supercomputers, despite their incredible power, are still limited by their need to process information sequentially. Whereas the brain can handle multiple processes simultaneously, this incredible processing power allows you to react to your environment in real time, learn new things, and solve complex problems. Whether you're catching a ball, learning a new language, or figuring out a difficult math problem, your brain's ability to process information quickly and efficiently is what makes it all possible. It's the engine that drives your consciousness and makes you the intelligent, adaptable being that you are. Your brain's unique structure and function enable you to think, feel, and experience the world in a way that no other creature can. So, next time you're feeling impressed by the latest technological marvel, remember the true wonder of engineering resides within your own skull. The brain's complexity and capability far surpass any artificial creation, making it the ultimate supercomputer. Your brain is the most powerful computer ever created. Its ability to adapt, learn, and innovate is unparalleled, making it not just a biological organ, but a marvel of natural engineering. Our brains are incredible storage devices capable of holding vast amounts of information. Scientists estimate that the brain's storage capacity is around 2.5 petabytes. That's enough to store about 3 million hours of TV shows. Our brains prioritize the most important information, the stuff that's essential for our survival and well-being. Even memories that seem lost or forgotten can sometimes be triggered by a familiar scent, a song, or a visit to a childhood haunt. For years it was believed that the brain stopped producing new neurons after a certain age. Thankfully, we've since discovered that this is simply not true. Neurogenesis, the process of creating new neurons, continues well into adulthood, especially in the hippocampus. The hippocampus is involved in forming new memories, learning, and spatial navigation. Exercise, learning, and social interaction can all have a positive impact on neurogenesis. So if you want to keep your brain sharp and youthful, get out there, learn something new, socialize with friends, and keep your body moving. Forgetting is just as crucial to brain function as remembering. Our brains have evolved to be incredibly efficient filters, sifting through the constant stream of information and deciding what to keep and what to discard. The stuff that's deemed important gets consolidated and stored for the long term, but the mundane, the trivial, gets pruned away, making room for new experiences and memories. Forgetting is essentially our brain's way of keeping our minds clear, focused, and ready for new experiences. It's a necessary process that keeps our minds sharp. The idea that people are left-brained or right-brained is a bit of an oversimplification. While it's true that certain functions are more dominant in one hemisphere, the reality is far more complex and fascinating. Both hemispheres of your brain are constantly working together, communicating through the corpus callosum. This thick band of nerve fibers acts like a bridge, allowing the two sides to share information and coordinate actions seamlessly. Your left brain might be great at crunching numbers, handling logic and processing language, but it needs your right brain to interpret a painting, understand spatial relationships, or come up with a creative solution to a problem. And vice versa, your right brain might be a master of imagination, excelling in creativity and intuition, but it relies on your left brain to organize those ideas, make sense of them, and put them into action. We all use both sides of our brains all the time, making us the uniquely adaptable and intelligent species we are. This collaboration between the hemispheres is what allows us to perform complex tasks, solve intricate problems, and create art and technology that shape our world. Our brains are even busier when we're asleep. While it might seem like our minds are taking a break, they're actually hard at work. Sleep isn't just about resting our weary bodies, it's also a time for our brains to catch up, process information, and consolidate memories. This is when the brain sorts through the day's experiences, deciding what to keep and what to let go. During sleep, your brain replays memories, strengthens connections, and clears out toxins that have accumulated throughout the day. This process is crucial for learning and memory retention, as well as overall brain health. It's like a nightly cleaning and reorganization session, ensuring that your brain is refreshed and ready to tackle the challenges of a new day. Imagine it as a reset button preparing you for optimal performance. So, if you want to keep your brain sharp, improve your memory, and boost your cognitive function, make sure you're getting enough sleep. Prioritizing sleep is one of the best things you can do for your mental and physical well-being. Remember, a well-rested brain is a powerful brain. And there you have it, 10 amazing facts about the human brain that you probably didn't know. The brain is truly a marvel of nature, capable of incredible feats of memory, processing power, and adaptability. If you found these facts as mind-blowing as we did, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more content on amazing discoveries and the wonders of the human body. Thanks for watching, and remember, take care of your brain, and it will take care of you.